Alright, let's see if we can get some good... Okay, this is the little male sable in Ginger and Damon's litter. And I wanted to show how... This is the thing about sable, is it's little black hairs interspersed with different shades of gold. In this case, it looks like a ginger color, burnt sienna color, or auburn red color, or whatever you want to call it. But if you'll notice on his head, if I hold it in different directions, you can see the black that shows up in there, some places more than others. And also right in here, there's a pretty good amount of it. And but this litter has really wonderful coloring, and his nose is not filled in yet, but I think you can see how fabulous the coloring is on his face. You got a runny nose, bud. Yeah. I mean, he's just gorgeous. Aren't you? Yeah. I'm gorgeous. Say I'm fat, too. I'm really, really fat. Such a pretty boy. Look at that color. Wow. Wow-wee wow. Yeah. Dude, this is me in all my glory. Beautiful markings, too. I must say, I'm very pleased with this litter, to put it slightly. Ignore. Okay.